Hey guys, or welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm showing you guys something so exciting. Actually, let me just address something. I know it's been such a long time since I last posted. I think it's been months, like 2 months, 3 months. I know it's been so bad, but I don't know, this is what I was saying to like my friends and stuff like that. Like this third lockdown is, I don't know what it is, but it's been so different. Like the first 2 lockdowns, I know it's bad, but I enjoyed it. I got to exercise, I got to do these, like I can do it now, but I haven't got that motivation to do it. I was making content in the first 2 lockdowns, like I was enjoying myself, like I don't know what it is. And then this third lockdown came about, and yeah, I like having my own time, but I have as much time as I have and I still like refuse to record or whatnot. It's not like I had ideas, but it's like I couldn't bring myself to do it. Do you know what I mean? So I think I've come to that time where I've actually missed doing it. So I was gonna make a video like a few days ago, and then I realized that my ring light was actually broken. Can you imagine? It was broken and I wasn't even making content. Can you imagine? So I was telling my brother, and he was like, oh my days, not on my days, but he'll buy me one. So I was like, yay. So he brought me one. So in today's video I'm going to show you just that. So the ring light that I actually got was the Neewer 20-inch LED ring light, and I wanted a big one because I wanted to light my room up. I think because the one that I had previously was quite small and I don't think it was as bright, so this time I wanted to go bigger because they say the bigger the better. So do you know what I mean? So that's why I got the 20-inch one. It even says for makeup, YouTube videos, blogger, salon. Do you know what I mean? So this is right up my street. It has adjustable color temperature with batteries, battery charger, AC adapter, phone clamp, and it includes a stand as well, because I know some lights don't even come with a tripod, so you have to buy everything separately. Even the charger you have to buy separately. So I'm glad that this was all combined together. And altogether it was £114.94, but there's currently a deal on at the moment and it's £97.69. And obviously I got it on Prime, so it came the very next day. So this is why we're making our YouTube video. We're back and we're better. So I'm going to show you what comes inside it. It comes with obviously the ring light, and look how big it is. I know my head's already big, so imagine, like, this is massive. And I like how it comes with the warm and cold settings. The one that I had previously, it was just one light and you just turn it up and down, whereas this one has a warm setting and it has a cold setting, and you have a minimum and maximum, so you can literally adjust it however you please. What else? It comes with the little hole so you can charge it. And what I like about this is you don't need to have the power cable in constantly. It works without the power cable if you charge your batteries. So as I'm saying this, it comes with 2 batteries and a charger. So if you do want to go outside and take pictures and you need a bit of lighting, you can literally just take it without the power cable. So I like that. But imagine lugging this around. Like, I love how it comes with the carry case, so you can literally just take it anywhere you want. Go up a mountain, take pictures, do a photo shoot. Yes. Okay, so I've already put in the camera holder, but it also comes with a phone holder which literally looks like this. And my old ring light also had a phone holder, but I think this is more techie, like you can move it around, so that's exciting. Obviously it comes with the tripod stand. That's the most important, and I don't know how tall it goes, but we'll put it up together in a second. It comes with a power cable as well, and I think if you use the power cable, the light is actually brighter, I think. Don't hold me to that, but that's what I think. It comes with a, you know, whatever it's called, point and shoot. You know, like if you want to take pictures of yourself and you haven't got someone to take it, you can literally just set your phone up, put the ring light there and just pose and like snap, snap, snap. And that's pretty much it. So let's get on into putting it together and I'll show you what it looks like. Yeah, so you unscrew this thing here and you pull the legs apart, and then as you can see it's come apart, and then however you want it to stand, that's literally how you want it. So I'm gonna have it like that, and then obviously remember to screw it back up. Literally just unscrew it and then pull it up. But as you can see, there's a screw inside there, so it won't fit unless you unscrew it. So pop it on and just make sure it's on fully, and then tighten it. With the batteries, it has 2 little holes down here. So with the little 2 holes, make sure that you can see like there's like 2 little like pins. Make sure that it goes inside that, and then just push it down. But the camera holder was actually pretty simple to put on. All you need to do is just slide it on and then unscrew it. And I'm going to show you the difference with me putting in the power cable as well. Can you see, like, as soon as you plug it in, there's definitely like more power when you put the power cable in. So I want to compare both of the lights side by side just to show you the difference between a natural daylight, and as you can see, I know that it's really cloudy at the moment, it's really windy and the light keeps fluctuating, so it's really bad, I know, but I want to show you side by side to show you guys the difference between my new artificial lighting and natural day lighting. So as you can see, this is a natural lighting and it keeps going up and down. 1 minute it's sunny, 1 minute it's not. So as you can see, drastically there's a big difference. I'm being washed out currently, but you can adjust the lighting according to your taste. So this is like bright, like it looks so good. So as you can see, there's a major big difference between the 2 lights. I prefer the artificial lighting. Like, everything that's fake in this life is actually good, let's be serious. I don't regret asking my brother to buy it. I didn't even do much research, let's be serious. Zip my mouth. But it's actually so much sturdier. Like, it's just, it looks prettier. I like how big it is. Like, it lights up the whole room as well as my face, whereas the old light, it would just light more my face. Like, you have to be close up, whereas like you can be far away with this one, like not too far away, but I like how big it is. Like, the bigger the better, I say. I don't know if there's any ring light that's actually bigger than the 20-inch. If there is, then put a comment down below, but as far as I know, that this is the biggest ring light on the market currently. If you guys want to purchase it, I'll put a link down below, and I don't really regret it. I love this new piece of equipment. I just want to thank my brother for being such a good brother and buying me this light. Mama would be proud. I can't even wink. I'm joking. I'm gassed and I'm really happy with this light. I hope you guys liked my unboxing video and my demo of putting it up. If you have any questions, leave it down below. And yes, I'm back now. Stay tuned for the new content that's coming out, and yes,